Hey everybody, this is Caesar with Small Engine Velocity coming at you with a Ruckus video, and this video is the beginning of a series. So you may have noticed that my exhaust has changed. I had a Gen 1 Yoshi that was on loan to me from Ruck City by Lee, but he needed it back, so he got it back. And then I put the Gen 2 Yoshi on my bike, and that's my brother's, so we're gonna get ready to have to be able to put that back on again eventually. So I decided to go ahead and get myself an exhaust, but I didn't want to take the same route that everybody else normally takes. So I went ahead and did something different. Before we get into that, I just want to let everybody know this is a small bore channel with scooters, Ruckuses. We even do motorcycles now, group rides, installs, and stuff like that. It sounds like something that's interesting to you. Go ahead and give me a subscribe if you like it. At the end, give me a thumbs up. And if you want to see more like this again in the future, go ahead and click on that bell. Anyways, let's roll that intro. Alright, so if you've been here for a while, you know that I don't like to do the easy thing, or I want to do the more creative thing, or I want to do something a little bit different. So what I ended up doing, I went ahead and bought just a header pipe. It's the header pipe that you can buy, I think it's at Steady Garage, but I bought mine used from someone who was parting out their bike online, so I went ahead and picked that part up. And it wasn't that much cheaper than online, but he was parting out and needed money. And he was a cool guy, and he shipped it right away, and I got it super quick. So I went ahead and bought that header piece. It was a little bit dirty, so I went ahead and did a little bit of polishing on it. Anyways, so here's what the header looks like next to the other pipe, next to the Yoshi pipe. So it's pretty the same. It's a little bit closer tucked in, and it'll be a little bit closer. So there'll be a little bit more work that I'll have to do to get this to fit on the bike correctly. So first thing I did, I went ahead and took off the header of the old exhaust. I lost the other nut, but the other side's a 13mm nut, so it took a little while to take off, but hey, I still have the gasket on there, so it's pretty good. Then I had to take off the hanger bolts that go to the side that hang on to the bike, which I don't really need right now because it's just a straight pipe, and I'm really curious as to how it will sound. And then bolt the old one back on. The gasket's there. You may not see me have the gasket, but the gasket was still already on the header nuts, or head studs when I did it. So let's go ahead and take a look and see what this looks like now. So if you look at it now, it's just a straight pipe. It comes out the bottom, goes around the side, comes up here. Now, here's the clearances on the edge of the tire, so I don't really have a lot of options for exhaust pipes. I may just leave it like this, or I may just put a stinger pipe up here, like that comes up to somewhere around here. I don't know. I haven't decided yet what I wanted to do there, but I mean, it's pretty cool looking. I don't know how loud it'll be. I have a bad feeling that it's going to be super loud. So let's go ahead and give it a shot and see what it sounds like. So I'm going to go ahead and turn the key, pull the brake, and start it. All right, I'm gonna step away so I can talk a little bit. So that's a lot louder than I thought it would be. So I will be working on a better or a different exhaust muffler tip or something that I can put on there that can help reduce that sound. But it's holy crap. Okay, so that's really, really loud. Let's summarize. Anyways, that was super loud. I do need to work on a muffler tip or something to put on there. So hopefully you guys get an idea. This is just part one. I still have to find a muffler. We'll still work on that together. But yes, that's pretty freaking loud. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see everybody in the next video.